Willard Peak Fire, vehicle blaze sparks, 5-acre wildfire threatening homes. Breaking news, a vehicle fire in North Ogden. Wednesday afternoon ignited a rapidly spreading wildfire now known as the Willard Peak Fire. Within moments, the blaze consumed approximately 5 acres uphill from residential areas, putting 15 to 20 structures at risk. Multiple ground crews and aircraft have been dispatched to battle the flames. Utah Fire Info issued a sharp warning. Vehicle fires can spark wildfires fast. Maintain your ride and never park on dry grass. The scene remains active as responders work to secure homes and suppress the advancing fire. Initial response efforts from both ground crews and aerial units reflect the severity and speed of the blaze, which gained ground quickly due to hot, dry brush and uphill winds. Power briefly dropped in over 1,400 nearby homes when a utility line tripped in the fire's vicinity, though service has since been restored. No evacuations had been announced at this stage, but residents in the fire's path are being advised to stay alert and heed any emergency updates. Authorities continue investigations into the fire's progression and any potential damage to property.